Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the target drive and ensuring safety. First, verify the HDD has enough capacity for your SSD data and make a full backup. Next, connect the HDD via SATA or a USB adapter so you can clone without removing the SSD yet. Launch your chosen cloning tool and choose disk-to-disk clone. Set source equals SSD and target equals HDD. Once done, review cloning options, sector by sector only if you need exact copies, and then start the cloning process. You continue by watching the cloning operation and preparing for layout changes. While cloning runs, note ETA and pause other disk activity to reduce errors. After cloning finishes, boot into a partition manager or use your OS tools. Resize or move partitions to utilize full HDD capacity, because HDDs often have more space than your SSD. Make sure the clone system partition is marked active and aligned properly for performance. Then check file integrity and system files before attempting to boot from the HDD. You finish by performing the physical swap and confirming boot. Power down, install the HDD in the original drive bay, and set it as primary boot device in BIOS or UEFI, then boot. If the system does not start, run startup repair, check UEFI versus legacy mode, and ensure correct drive mapping. Make sure drivers loaded correctly and re-enable BitLocker only after verification. As a final step, keep the SSD disconnected until you confirm stability. That way, you can revert quickly if anything goes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.